In our previous lecture, we built out our server and tested out that it could indeed start on port 3000. Now, if we're just using Node to start our server like this, node server.js, this means that if I make a change to my project, if I change some code in server.js or any other file, I'll have to kill the server and restart it again manually. And that becomes tedious really quickly. So instead, developers commonly use the package Nodemon, which is an extension of Node that will allow us to build a server that can auto restart. Before we jump into this video, go to training.mammothinteractive.com. Here you can sign up for the Mammoth Unlimited membership and get access to all of the courses we've ever created. That's over 2,000 hours of content. So all we have to do is install Nodemon, and then instead of using node server.js, we use Nodemon. So here I'm going to kill my server, and I'm going to use npm install Nodemon to install the package to my project. And there we go, it's installed. Now I can put it to use with npx Nodemon and then pass in the name of my file, server.js. So a little bit different from node server.js, we use npx nodemon server.js. And here we use npx nodemon because we didn't install Nodemon globally, we just installed it into our project folder. So we have to prefix it with npx. And you could even build an alias inside of your package.json file. You could specify a script that you wanted to use a shorter command instead of npx nodemon server.js if you wanted to. So here we can see we have Nodemon version 2.0.12. We can restart it manually if we wanted to with rs. It's watching our path, it's watching our extensions, it's starting node server.js. So you see it just did the command node server.js for us, and it's going to do that command for us every time it hears that we made a change. So that's why it says it's watching extensions, because it's going to watch for any files with an extension JS, MJS, JSON, and it's going to listen for anytime there's a change to our project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to go to training.mammothinteractive.com. Here you can sign up for the Mammoth Unlimited membership, where you can get access to over 350 courses that we've created.